Okay guys, you've probably seen these videos already, the ones where someone wakes up as a Roman soldier, or a medieval knight, or a Viking warrior about to head into battle. They're getting hundreds of thousands of views, but here's the crazy part, almost nobody knows how easy they are to make. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to create these videos step by step, so you can start making videos like these and getting thousands or even millions of views. But before we jump into the tutorial, there's one thing you need to see first. There's this Instagram account called viewing.history.pov. It's a small account, like they posted less than 20 videos, but look at the numbers. This video hit 1.2 million views. This one hit 5.5 million. And here's the part that should really get your attention. This account was created less than a month ago. They've grown from 0 to almost 40,000 followers by uploading these videos that you can create in less than 20 minutes. But before we dive into the steps, here's a short clip I created using the exact method you're about to learn. So, without further ado, let's start with step 1. First, open Google and search for Explore GPTs. Click on it, then search for historical POV. Once you find it, click Start Chat. Now here's the best part. You don't have to write a single prompt yourself. Just click Start, and the GPT will ask you 3 simple questions. First, choose a historical era. For this example, we'll go with ancient Rome. Next, pick a country or region. We'll choose Rome. Finally, choose the role you'll play. Let's go with noble. Now, just hit send. And this is where the magic happens. In just a few seconds, this thing builds your entire video for you. It's not just an idea, it's an actual production plan. You've got 6 full scenes that tell one complete story start to finish. From the moment you wake up in the morning to the very last scene of the day. And each scene comes with 2 things: a photorealistic image prompt written completely from a first-person view, and a video prompt that brings that exact image to life. So now you've got your story. You need visuals. Copy the first image prompt from the GPT and head over to Google and search for Higgsfield. Click on the first results. Once you're in, go to the Image tab and select Nano Banana Lite. The reason why I use this one specifically is that it's the cheapest and fastest option, so we can experiment with tons of images without burning through credits. Now, just paste your prompt in. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're making this for Reels and Shorts. Then, set the quality to high. And for how many images to generate, go with 4. That way you're not stuck with just one option. Now, just hit generate, and just like that, you've got your opening scene. You're waking up as a wealthy Roman noble at dawn inside an elegant domus in ancient Rome. Okay, now we just repeat the process. Go back to the GPT, copy the second image prompt, keep all your settings exactly the same, paste it in, and generate. You'll get 4 variations again. Out of these, I'm going with this one. It has fewer visual artifacts, and honestly, the lighting just looks more natural here, and that's really the whole workflow from here. Copy the next prompt. Keep the same settings, hit generate, just repeat that process for the remaining images, and by the end, you'll have some pretty amazing images like these. Now here's where it gets really fun. It's time to bring these images to life. Head over to Higgsfield again, and this time, go to the Video tab, then select Gemini Omni Flash. Go back to your GPT, copy the first video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Then upload scene 1 as the reference. Set the duration to 7 seconds. For the aspect ratio, choose 9:16, same as before, and hit generate. And there it is. Your still image just came to life. The nobleman wakes up, and it looks very real. The bird sound is so realistic, and camera motion actually feels cinematic. Now, as a quick tip for you guys, with this Gemini model specifically, if something in your video looks off, you don't have to start over. You just click on Edit Video, and from there, you can either draw directly over the part you want to change, or just type a simple instruction. So here, for example, I'll draw over the chair just like this, and type remove the chair, and hit generate. And look at that, it's gone, as if it was never there in the first place. Alright, for the next clip, clear out the old prompt. Go back to the GPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it in, then clear out the old reference image and upload scene 2 as your reference image. Keep every setting exactly the same as before. Hit generate, and here's what you get. Same noble man, but now he's in a different moment of his day. The environment matches, the lighting style matches, the whole historical vibe stays consistent. Now from here, it's just rinse and repeat. Copy the next video prompt, upload the matching scene as your reference, and hit generate. That's it. Do that for all the remaining scenes. And once all 6 clips are done, now let's bring it all together. Open up your video editor and import your 6 clips. Drop them onto the timeline. Make sure they are dragged in order. Next, find some smooth background music and drag it in. Lower the volume a little bit like this. Trim it down so it lines up perfectly with your clips. And if you want, you can mute the sound on the videos themselves. That way, it's just the music carrying the whole thing. Now, before you save anything, we need the title. Click Text, add a new text box, and type POV. Then I'll write something short and simple, something like, "You're a Roman noble." And here's one thing you really don't want to skip. Pick the preset style with the background box behind the text. This one makes the words actually pop off the screen. Resize it so it looks clean, and once that's in place, hit export. Alright, let's see the final result together. I'll leave the exact prompts and links I used in this video in the description and inside my school community. It's free to join right now, so there's really no reason not to grab it. I'll see you in the next one.